Do it, do it.
You!
Turn your stupid flashlight off.
I don't know how.
Let me see your phone. Let me see it.
You won't. No, I need to film this. Do not turn it off. You please.
No, here.
Oh my god.
Here, set up this for me.
I did not agree and so happy. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. This is good, I think.
My friend.
I think it's over.
It's not going off. You won't stay off. We both feel the wind going on. How dare you? You should not get in my video. I'm just kidding.
Hey, you guys here move that down here a little bit? Right.
I appreciate it. He doesn't play in the show. I can find out for you when he's gonna play on that. When he's gonna turn off. I can find out when he's gonna turn off though. Yeah, I can find out when he's gonna turn off. I can find out for you.
Yeah. Oh, we can find out.
Yeah, we can find out.
We can ask someone.
Steve, he's responsible. I'll ask him to play a show tape with him later, okay?
Yeah.
I'm asking him to play No, I was thinking about